Hello friends, welcome and namaskar. Alright, in last chapter we discussed about few very basic things of Excel like Excel opening, different extensions of Excel, etc. Today in this lesson we will learn about home tab of Excel, right? Through last chapter we know that Excel provides different tabs for customization of work through Excel, right? We also saw that there are many tabs available in Excel, as General tab, uh, Insert, Page, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, etc. So today we will try to know something about these different tabs and what are the commands we can use through these tabs. So let's start with first tab, that is our Home tab. In Home tab, we can see like in other tabs, if we click like this, so we can move or navigate to different tabs. So in Home tabs, we can check that there are various sections available like Clipboard, font, alignment, number, style, cell, editing, etc. And each of the section has some different buttons. Okay, through this Home tab, we can format our text, or we can format our numbers. We can change the style of our text. Okay, guys. Here I will try to use data and real example of using different commands for understanding clipboard and different other functionalities of Excel. We need data, right? Without data we cannot go through live examples, or we cannot understand proper concept of a particular area or particular functionality, right? So let me take a real example sheet. So I have a real example sheet where some dummy data is available for this data belongs for a school. We can say like these are students and their normal data like father's name, date of birth, gender, etc. Fine. So we are aware that when Windows is being launched in late 90s, okay, and it's a GUI operating system which allows user to work by using graphics, because before that people generally use MS-DOS commands. So commands, it was very difficult to understand the things like, and a technical person who have some knowledge of computer softwares, he can only work on systems, but through GUI or through Windows it was possible. It was possible like some normal persons like you and me also can work on system or on computer. And then after Mr. Bill Gates launched Microsoft applications for usage of general purpose application like MS Excel, MS Word, presentation, PowerPoint presentation they have launched, right? So if you or your friend or any other known person used or any Microsoft application like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc., they must be aware these three buttons, right? Cut, copy, and paste. Hmm? So these buttons are main basic functions of Excel. Hmm? Okay, so let's start with cut button. Hmm? So you can see the cut button is available here, and shortcut key for cut is Ctrl X. You can press Ctrl plus X button from your keyboard to enable this functionality in Excel, right? Like if I want to cut my some data, like we want to cut this. So just I will simply click on this button, Ctrl C, or click on this button, and wherever I want to move this text on this data, we can just click on that particular cell. You understand that it is cell, huh? And these are rows and these are columns. columns, and this particular selected area is called as cell. We learned this about our previous section. So if we want to paste, if we want to move our data from one place to another place, we can just click on select the data and click on cut button, and wherever we want to move, we just go at that place, at that cell, and just click on paste. So when we will click on paste, we can see that data is moved from one area to another area, right? And primary area where the data, original area where the data was available, is now empty, and new area where we clicked, where we pasted the data, is now filled with new data, right? Please note that I used word as move. Move means we not want that primary data should be available at normal original location. We just want to move the data, and if we want to copy that data, we want to mark duplicates of that particular data, then we can use copy button. But paste button is always can be used in both the cases, cut and paste, cut and copy, right? So like we also can select again, once again select this and click on copy button. And again this is seems as selected. So now after then we will click on here again and paste. So now you can see the difference. Now original data is also available, and duplicate or a copy of that particular data is simply available at another place. Fine. In copy button, we also can see one more option like down arrow button is available. This down button is showing another message like copy as picture. So if we click on copy button, then we just need to select the data and paste the data from to another place, and system will allow to make duplicate data for that. But what will happen if we choose copy as picture? So in copy as picture, system will show as shown on screen or as shown when printed. Means as shown on screen, like here you can see like grids are available in this. And in case of printing, if we see this data, then there is no grid lines are available, right? So in what format we want the data to be paste, right? So we can select accordingly. And format means what will be the format of copying? Is it picture format or bitmap format? We will use both to know the difference, right? Okay. So let me choose some data. I guess it is enough. And we will go with as shown on screen and picture. Fine. Okay. And now we will paste this. Okay. So we can move this. So you can see that grids are available, right? You can see that grids are available. Okay. Again, we will select another data and go for copy as picture, and we'll select now as shown, right? And we will paste it here. So here you can see that there is no grid available. Can you identify the difference? Fine. Okay. And third one option is available with us, that is, let me select some more data, copy as a bitmap, paste it here. So in case of picture mode, it will show like this, and in case of bitmap, it will show in another format that is called as bitmap format. and you can see the difference of these three, right? Paste command is having some more powerful options with this. So we can use those options in copying and pasting data from another place in another format, or if we want to paste only formula or only values, we can do all these things through more beautiful options of paste command. Right? We will learn about those things in our next chapters, right? So now we have one more option left with us in this clipboard section, that is format painter. So format painter, what is it? Format painter means like in case of cut copy paste, we are moving or we are copying our data from one place to another place, right? In format painter, we not want to paste our data, but we want to paste our formatting of that particular cell from one location to another location, right? Getting my point? Okay. So let's try to learn this as a practical, right? So for this, we will do some changes. So we will change this as here and get the font size. This one here. This font color will just change it, right? And so this one is say like center line. So these are, let's assume that some data is having some different formats, and we want that these three or four and these selected data is required to change formatting as per this. So either we need to know that what are the formats we have choose, like we mark it another font style, font size is changed, background color is changed, right? In this case uh, font color and background color is changed, this text is also bold. So either we need to learn all these things, or we need to note all these things, or we can just simply go at this and click on this format painter, and wherever we want to paste that format, we will select those records, right? Like this. Getting this now? So now all the selected values are format is changed as earlier chosen format. Fine. Like one more example, we can take like this format we want to change here. Get it? So these are formats. Hmm? Fine. And so it's done. Now one more thing I think it is left. So in section clipboard, you can see that this down arrow is available, right? So what is the purpose of this? If we click on this, so it is showing some clipboard section where all the values available earlier are the values which are copied earlier are available in clipboard, and we can use those values as per our requirement. Like if we click on this Ctrl C, Ctrl C, Ctrl C, Ctrl C, Ctrl C, Ctrl C. Fine. So we have some random values, and now now what is happening, if I paste Ctrl V or paste button, then system will copy this value, like that is latest one. So if I paste, see, but what I want to paste, I want to copy this mail. Okay, I want to copy this Nirvi Yastavi name. I want to copy this Arnav Raja. So we can do also this to this clipboard section where we can check that all the available values are exist. We can clear them or paste all. Paste all will work for all the values. See, fine. Okay, we have an option here, show office clipboard automatically. Like we can use this whenever we open this Excel. Clipboard section will automatically open. If we want to close this, we can do this. Right? Fine. So I hope that you have enjoyed this chapter of learning clipboard section and using cut, copy, paste, formula painting, etc. I'm sure that now you are able to manage data in Excel with these commands. Please keep practicing on your own, and in case any doubt, then please use comment section for asking the questions. Kindly like, share, subscribe to this video on my channel. Thank you.